We're looking at a N2 Club Continent suite, as you can see right here on board the brand new Azamara Onward, and this room was refurbished just now in 2022, but it's basically the same information. And hey guys, I'm Mike. Welcome to Affluent Journeys. That's my website, affluentjourneys.com. And you can see right now I'm on board the Azamara Onward inaugural cruise for the travel industry. It's not open to the public yet, and the cruise ship is a work in progress, but hopefully by the time you get on board, everything will be nice and ready to go. So have a look here in the master bath. We have brand new fixtures and everything in here, brand new sinks with chrome fixtures, a lighted vanity mirror all the way around, so that's really cool. We'll have an adjustable vanity mirror here also. Azamara now uses the Eco Boutique line of bath and shower amenities, which I like a lot. They're not too perfumey, they don't stink too much. They're easy on the skin, that type of thing. We'll have a glassed-in shower with a grow shower head and then a removable handheld shower head also. And what we're looking at here is about 265 square feet. So if you can spring for it, I recommend going with at least this size room on Azamara. Have a look at some of the closet space. Brand new Azamara branded bathrobes, slippers, umbrellas for use as well, all brand new. More space here. The life jackets will be down below. There is free self-laundry on Azamara, but you can also pay for laundry service as well. And then if you're in the Club Continent suite or above, you do get Butler service included and free specialty dining. There's a new safe. The basic drinks on Azamara are included, but you do pay for the upgraded minibar items unless you pay for the upgraded drink package and all the sodas and bottled water, etc. included. And you also get a free setup of liquors in the suites. And we'll have a small fridge down here with, again, some of the paid beer and wines. And again, sodas are free. And then we'll have a nice wide console with plenty of extra storage space. And we have the brand new infotainment systems, easy to use remote control. So if you want, you can watch live TV or get information about all the different dining venues on board. The spa and fitness, you can look at the weather. We'll see our current location. We're on our way into Monaco right now. This is the Do Not Disturb system. You just put this in your key slot outside your door. They give you directions on the internet, welcome letters, and shore excursions. Another vanity mirror here. And then we'll have multiple ports here for the US and European international port. Everybody gets welcome champagne on Azamara. This one is Domaine Saint Michel. Nice lounge chair there. Tufted headboard, and all this is brand new. And guess what? The USB ports are now underneath the reading lights. We have the really nice Egyptian cotton linens and a full king bed here that converts to two twins. And yes, there will be a bed skirt. They just haven't gotten them yet. Brand new carpets. And then we'll have a look out here on the veranda. So slim veranda, and we're here at the aft of the ship, so that's why you see this. You won't see this in most of the rooms. And brand new table and two chairs. We have nice smooth sailing on our way into Monaco. All right, I hope you enjoyed seeing the Club Continent suite here on board the brand new Azamara Onward. And again, I'm Mike. I'm a luxury travel agent. I do represent Azamara for the North American market. And if you're seriously interested in booking a cruise on Azamara, I'd love to hear from you about it. And in most cases, I can improve on the offer somewhat than what you would have by booking direct on your own. So serious inquiries, you may contact me today at the phone number down below, or submit your inquiry on my website, affluentjourneys.com. Also, if you're recently booked on Azamara through the North American offices and not through another travel agent, you're not paid in full, and you did so within the past 30 days, I might still be able to improve on that cruise offer for you, and I'll be glad to do it. So those of you who qualify there may contact me as well. Next, if you want to see my special offers and exclusive deals that I get on Azamara, make sure to follow the Affluent Journeys Facebook page. You'll see everything I put up there. And give me a follow on Instagram. You'll see some other things I do on my various travels. So that's pretty much it for now. Thanks again for watching, and please stay tuned for the next one.